Question number 1. Can you explain the advantages of PLCs over conventional relay-based control systems? Interview tips. The interviewer might ask this question to determine if you have in-depth knowledge about relays and PLCs. Programmable logic controllers are steadily replacing mechanical relays across several industrial applications due to their various benefits. Understanding the fundamental differences between these components and their way of working can help you elaborate on the distinct advantages of a PLC. Sample answer. PLC systems offer increased reliability, accuracy, and flexibility compared to a mechanical relay. They are easy to install as they require less wiring and are also easier to maintain than a regular relay. PLCs offer more advanced functions like data gathering, supervisory control, and monitoring. Another huge advantage of a PLC over a relay is the reduced cost. As PLCs are less expensive, they help in reducing the system's overall lifecycle cost. Next question. What is a remote terminal unit, RTU, and why is it used? Answer. A remote terminal unit is a type of PLC, or programmable logic controller. It's a compact device that monitors and controls a process at a remote location. RTUs are often used in industrial settings, where conditions are too harsh or too dangerous for people to be present. Next question. Which PLC programming method do you prefer? Sample answer. In my previous job at a manufacturing company, our team used ladder diagrams to program our PLC systems. I prefer ladder diagrams for PLC programming as they support online editing and comments, making it easy for all team members to follow. I am also eager to try other programming methods like sequential function charts, instruction lists, and function block diagrams to improve my skills in PLC programming. Next question. What is the role of PLC in automation? Answer. PLC plays the most important role in automation. All the monitoring as well as the control actions are taken by programmable logic controller. PLC reads the input and then processes logic via CPU and memory and provides output via output module. Within a very short moment, it conducts accurate activities. That's one of the reasons why PLC is commonly used in the industrial sector today. Next question. Describe about basic elements in ladder logic programming. Answer. The basic elements in ladder logic programming are 1. Rung. Ladder logic instructions are written on a function. During the scan program, the processor scans from left to right, one by one ladder from top to bottom. 2. Input instructions. These instructions read the status of input devices, such as sensors or switches, and store the data in memory. 3. Output instructions. These instructions control output devices, such as motors or valves, based on the data stored in memory. 4. Branching. Simply means adding more rungs that are associated with the same output or having multiple outputs for the same inputs. Next question. What is the difference between the fixed and modular PLCs? Answer. The fixed PLC. The processor will have integrated power supply, input and output in one unit. The modular PLC is a type of PLC that allows multiple expansions of the PLC system through the use of modules. Next question. What are PLC timers? Answer. PLC timers are internal PLC instructions that can be used to delay input and output signals in the PLC program. These timers operate like relay timers, but you cannot hold a PLC timer in your hand, and they do not need to be connected to wires to operate. Next question. What are the different types of PLC inputs and outputs? Answer. An input module detects the status of input signals such as push buttons, switches, temperature sensors, etc. An output module controls devices such as relays, motor starters, lights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Automation Academy and check our playlist for more content.